friends, you are with the Knitting Studio InStyle. Today we will knit this pattern. It is double-sided. Knit with needles, Lacey. It is very easy to knit. The report of the pattern consists of 3 stitches and 4 rows in height. So right now I have 21 stitches on the needles, plus 2 edge stitches. In total, that makes 23 stitches. We will knit 4 reports in height to get this pattern. Well, let's get started. We slip the edge stitch. The next 3 stitches, we knit them together. That is, from 3 stitches we create 3. Look how we insert the needle into the 3 stitches. We catch the working yarn. That means we knit, as if it were a knit stitch. We do not drop these stitches from the left needle. We make a yarn over. And again, we insert the needle into these 3 stitches. Again, we knit a knit stitch. That is, knit these stitches through the back loop. We have knitted 2 knit stitches and a yarn over between them. That's it. We have 3 stitches now. These 3 can be dropped from the left needle. That's it. We repeat this to the end of the row. With the right needle, we insert it like this from right to left. Into the next 3 stitches, we catch the working yarn, knit a knit stitch. It turns out through the back loop. Next, we make a yarn over. Again, we insert the needle into these 3 stitches. Again, we catch the working yarn, knit a knit stitch. Here, we have 3 stitches on the right needle. We drop 3 stitches from the left needle. There were 3, and we knitted 3, knit front. Next, we make a yarn over on the right needle, hold it with a finger, and again, we insert the needle into those 3 stitches and knit front. Drop from the left needle. That's it, friends. We will knit this way to the end of the row. The last one is knitted purlwise in the traditional way. The first row is finished. We turn the work. Let's start on the second row. In the second row, we simply knit all stitches front. We continue this way to the end of the row. Here, we knitted front to the end of the row. The last one is also knitted purlwise in the traditional way. As usual, that's all. The second row is complete. Now we move on to the third row. We knit the third row almost the same as the first, only with purls. We slip the first edge stitch. Next, the first 3 stitches, we insert the right needle from right to left into the 3 stitches. We knit them together purlwise in the classic way. Next, we make a yarn over and again, knit all 3 together purlwise in the classic way. Here we have 3 stitches. Plus the edge stitch, and here are 3 stitches. We slip those 3 stitches from the left needle. Then again, we also knit the next 3 stitches together purlwise. Yarn over and again 3 together purlwise. We slip. From the left needle this way, we knit to the end of the row. The last one is knitted purlwise in the traditional way. That's it. We move on to the 4th row. It is very simple to knit. I knit all the stitches in classic purl. We knit until the end of the row. Here is our height pattern completed, 4 rows. Next, we repeat from the 1st to the 4th row. The last stitch is knitted as usual with a grandmother's purl. This is the lacy pattern that results. It looks the same on both the front and back sides. It is double-sided. Therefore, it is great for some scarves. It stretches well, but at the same time it is quite dense. Therefore, I think it will require a lot of yarn. There will be a large consumption. But at the same time, it is so light and unique. I believe you will find a use for this pattern. And for now, thank you for your attention. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video lesson. Goodbye.